How to make your old laptop run faster in Windows 11. First of all, start by right-clicking on the Start menu, then tapping on Settings. Inside here, you need to go ahead and simply tap on Apps, and inside Apps, simply tap, and inside App, go to Startup, and then turn off unnecessary app that automatically launch when you start your laptop. Next, in the search bar, you want to go ahead and search for storage settings. Open it up and then enable storage sense. This helps Windows automatically clear unnecessary temporary files and free up storage space. After that, in the search bar again, search for adjust the appearances and performance of Windows. Open it up and then choose adjust for best performance to reduce visual effect that can slow down your older hardware. You should even open up your Windows Update and install any available updates and driver updates. And finally, uninstall program you no longer use and restart your laptop. These changes won't magically turn old hardware into a brand new computer, but they can reduce unnecessary background activity and make Windows 11 feel noticeably more responsive. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.